now yours a little study. Right, okay. I just got this. Wow, will you look at that? Do you get it? So give us a ring. That's fucking heavier than me. Take one. How many ever? I don't know what I was going to say, but it was something good, wasn't it, for a minute? Okay, I was looking for a pair of these. Now, as you see, this is older than me as well. Everything in here is older than me. Right, I'm taking these T-blocks out. I don't want to aim the camera down here yet, because I gotta clean up a bit, otherwise you're gonna call me all sorts of fucking names. I'll have a stuck in there on the bob. Aye, man. I'm gonna sink that rebar into this wood, just so it sits nice. And then we'll mill one side, and then we'll put a strengthener to stop it from bowing. Bob, do you know what you're fucking talking about? No, I don't. No, I had a fucking feeling he was going to say that. When I left work, I had boxes and boxes of all sorts. Gone. All went missing. All went all a luluing. It's nothing fucking great. What we're hoping to do is take off the back of that and then put some whatever, okay? You know what I meant. Right, that side's done. So what we've done now is put this clamp on, because when this starts getting thin, this tip is going to try and push that over. So we'll go like thick down to thin. So you've got to try and stop that. Stop that, will you? There it is, in all its form and all its glory. That's hot. So yeah, there it is. We have got a bit of a flex on it, love. So it's decide how long we want it. And then I'm still open to drill an hole up in there. It's not that heavy, you know, it's got that fucking big thing. It's still up, it's fucking leave it up, fucking that way. I'd say about that long. Going into a point now, we're going to round off both directions, and then obviously I want a polisher handle so it's fucking shiny. Couple of dents in it, but we'll try and get them out. Okay. You know what? Double pointed dagger. If there's any knife makers watching, because there might be, who's gonna say, what the fucking hell are you doing there, lad? Where do I go from here? I was gonna say, but so I'm going to now shape this to the shape I want it. Something like that. This is the part you say, that fella fucking just don't know what he's fucking doing. And I say, well, yeah, I don't. I haven't got a fucking clue what you're doing. No. You've got to start somewhere, haven't you? Usually at the bottom. And that's where I am. I'm at the bottom. That's the sort of shape I'm looking for. And it works. We can now fit it in a lathe and we can drill it out. It's not bad, it's not that heavy. But yeah, it's boring, isn't it? It's a lot of work. We gotta get all them scratches out now, apparently. Gotta be an easy way, gotta be. Whoa. If it's what, it means you're doing a fucking good job, Luke.
Oh, I bet you got my fingers on.
Nah, it's not right there. That's the noise you want to hear. Just let it up a little bit. Spin it over. These days, gets on your fucking way, health and fucking safety. There you go. One done, thanks. Thanks so much. That's a farm bank trailer advertisement. Huh? Small. So you fought the minute, yeah. Well. Oh no, he's fucking sprayed it. That's not a blacksmith. I sprayed it green because I want to now start taking that green off. I've got some wet and dry. So you know where you are. Sounds like somebody slapping his monkey. If I was going to do this for a living, I would instantly make a machine to do it for me. Shatem. Ah, Shatem. I remember they actually banned that record, Shatem, for the heavy breathing and stuff, and the innuendos that they was actually having sex. I mean, fucking hell. Fucking cartoons are worse than that now, aren't they? Don't creep behind fucking people when they're fucking playing a knife.
What is it? What is it like?
Yeah. It's a rebar knife.
A rebar?
Yeah.
What's a rebar?
When they put in concrete.
Oh, no.
Look at it.
See, my armour prints on it and all now. It's got me.
Okay, so fucking.
Oh, fucking hell. I'm lucky I polished that one. Fuck you. Oh, that's fucking beautiful.
Next job. We're just a little machine like that. Just a,
Put that on the ends, right?
that's fucking gorgeous, mate. Rob, your mail's in. Oh, here's my mail, you like. Oh, lovely. Oh, lovely. That's good, isn't it? Look at that. Thanks, folks. We'll do something soon.